What's up? Welcome to today's video. We are going from Tennessee to Washington. Hold on. I am going to be walking you through how I think through and prepare food as we travel.
I was already in the kitchen making dinner, and it made sense to go ahead and pre-make our breakfast for the plane.
I think they're almost done. It is really late at night, but I really wanted to show you guys what it actually looks like right before I throw all of our food in bags. The three factors that I think about when preparing food for a trip is cost, convenience, and quality. We all know that airport food is really expensive. Because we have so many eaters, we found that it saves so much money to just buy our groceries at the stores, prepare our food before we ever walk into the airport. Convenience. Yes, it is convenient to walk up to a restaurant, order your meal, and then take it with you. It's warm, ready to go. However, with kids during a pandemic, not always the most convenient. So what I've learned is that it's so much better during the actual travel if I prep all the food beforehand. Yes, it takes a lot of time. Just tonight, I am putting everything together and I've been working on it for about 2 hours. Also, I'm traveling with all the kids by myself. Frazier is in his crazy busy season of work, and so he's having to stay behind a couple days. Standing in a line with all 4 kids as they're hungry and all of our luggage, because we're flying carry-ons only, it just feels and seems like a logistical nightmare. So if I have everything prepared and ready, we can just make it straight to the gate and onto the airplane, and when they're hungry, I've got what they need. So the third thing that I think about when we travel is quality. We all feel better and my kids act better, and I have more patience when we're eating fresh foods. We have an early morning flight. We take off at 7. We're in the air for 5 hours. Then we have a 2.5 hour drive to our destination. Our oldest 2 kids are 10 and 7. So I packed their food separately. The 2 little girls have food in my bag. I'm just gonna show you guys what I put in my big kids' bags. Here's our breakfast. We made a sausage, egg, and cheese bagel. Here's the fruit. I typically try to buy what's in season or on sale and always get a variety of different things they like. Moving into lunch, I made them sandwiches and just put them in these reusable bags. Then we've got their bell peppers and carrots. And a special treat, they get to have chips with their lunch. I'm gonna give them a banana on the way to the airport. Just a pro tip, pack your reusable water bottles empty, and after you get through security, you can fill them up, and that way you're not paying $5 for a water bottle. Now for their snacks. I got them fruit leather, applesauce, trail mix. One of them likes pretzels, one of them likes popcorn, and granola bars. For landing and takeoff and just entertain your mouth time, I got them
If your water bottle has a straw, detach it before you take off. And then once your altitude has stabilized, go ahead and put the straw back on. If not, you'll go to take a sip and get a face full of water because of the pressure buildup. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the winter wonderland we were headed to, click the link right here. Each like, subscribe, and comment really helps. Until next week, go spread light and love.